Welcome to my channel, where transformation begins here. We share powerful stories, life-changing lessons, and practical tips to unlock your true potential. Whether you are here to improve your English, build confidence, or just find daily motivation, you are in the right place. The power of gratitude. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a mindset, a way of seeing the world that can transform your perspective and, frankly, your life. In a world obsessed with what's next, more money, more stuff, more status, gratitude pulls you back to what's already here, right in front of you. It's not about ignoring problems or pretending everything's perfect. It's about recognizing the good that exists even when life feels heavy. Why gratitude matters. Why studies back this up. Gratitude isn't just feel-good fluff. Research from psychologists like Robert Emmons shows it's linked to better mental health, stronger relationships, and even improved physical health. People who regularly practice gratitude, whether through journaling, meditation, or just reflecting, report lower stress, better sleep, and less depression. It's like a mental reset button. When you focus on what you're thankful for, your brain starts noticing more of it. Gratitude also shifts how you connect with others. Think about it. When you genuinely thank someone, it's not just words, it's a bridge. It deepens bonds, whether with a friend, coworker, or stranger. It's why writing a heartfelt note or acknowledging someone's effort feels so damn good for both sides. It's human connection on steroids. How to practice it. You don't need a gratitude guru or a fancy app to get started. Keep it simple. Write it down. Jot 3 things each day you're grateful for. Could be a warm coffee, a kind word, or just waking up. Doesn't have to be profound. Say it out loud. Tell someone you appreciate them. Be specific. Vague compliments don't hit the same. Pause and notice. Take a second to soak in the moment. A sunset, a laugh, a good meal. Let it sink in. Reframe the rough stuff. Stuck in traffic? Be grateful for the podcast you're listening to, or the fact you've got a car. It's not about denying frustration, but finding the silver lining. The ripple effect. Gratitude isn't just personal, it spreads. When you're grateful, you're kinder. You're less likely to snap at someone or get caught in petty grudges. It's contagious too. Your positivity can spark it in others. Imagine a workplace where everyone's quick to appreciate instead of criticize. Or a family dinner where everyone shares one thing they're thankful for. Sounds cheesy, but it works. The catch. Here's the thing. Gratitude isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a practice, like hitting the gym or learning guitar. You don't get ripped after one workout, and you don't become a gratitude master after one thank you. It takes consistency, especially when life's throwing punches. The good news? Even on bad days, there's always something, however small, to anchor you. Final thought. Gratitude doesn't fix everything, but it changes how you carry the load. It's like putting on glasses that let you see the world a little clearer, a little brighter. Start small, stick with it, and watch how it shifts the way you move through life. You might be surprised at how much you've been missing. Gratitude, a game changer for mind and soul. Gratitude isn't just a buzzword, it's a superpower. In a world that's always pushing us to chase more, gratitude flips the script, helping us find joy in what we already have. It's not about glossing over life's challenges or faking positivity. It's about anchoring yourself in the good stuff, no matter how small. From boosting your mood to strengthening your connections, gratitude is a simple practice with massive payoffs. The science behind the magic. Gratitude isn't just warm fuzzies. It's got hard data to back it up. Researchers like Martin Seligman have found that practicing gratitude can lower anxiety, improve mood, and even help you bounce back from tough times. People who make gratitude a habit, whether by jotting down what they're thankful for or simply reflecting, tend to feel more optimistic and less overwhelmed. It's like giving your brain a daily dose of sunshine. Studies also show it can improve heart health and reduce inflammation, proving it's not just your mind that benefits, but your body too. Building stronger bonds, gratitude is a relationship booster. Whether it's thanking your partner for making dinner or telling a coworker they nailed a project, those moments of recognition build stronger ties. It's a two-way street. The giver feels uplifted, and the receiver feels seen. Plus, gratitude makes you less likely to hold on to grudges, paving the way for healthier, happier interactions. How to make it stick. Starting a gratitude practice is easier than you think. No need for fancy tools or hours of time. Here's how to weave it into your day. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things each morning or night that spark joy: a kind gesture, a good song, or even a cozy blanket. Spread the love. Text a friend to say you're grateful for them. Be specific. I really appreciated you listening last week. It's harder than a generic thanks. Savor the moment. Pause to really feel the good stuff, like the smell of fresh coffee or a warm hug. Let it linger. Flip the script. When things go wrong, hunt for the silver lining. Missed a deadline? Be thankful for the chance to learn and grow. The domino effect. Gratitude doesn't just stay with you, it ripples outward. When you're in a grateful mindset, you're more patient, more generous, and more likely to inspire others to do the same. Picture a community where everyone's quick to lift each other up instead of tearing down. It starts with one person, you. Even small acts like thanking a cashier or smiling at a stranger can set off a chain reaction of positivity. The real talk. Let's be honest. Gratitude isn't a magic pill. Life can be brutal, and some days, finding something to be thankful for feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. But that's when it matters most. Even in the darkest moments, there's something, a breath, a memory, a kind word that can ground you. It's not about ignoring pain. It's about finding light in the cracks. Why it's worth it. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Over time, you'll notice you're not just surviving, but thriving. Seeing the world through a lens of possibility rather than lack. It's not about having it all. It's about realizing you already have enough. So grab a pen, take a deep breath, and start noticing the good. You've got this.